we are going to unbox some products which we have got from Amazon. This is a case for the hard disks. So let's just tear this stuff up. We have some opening equipments which we can use. So I don't think I'm doing a great job. I think this is, let's just open it up. So this is apparently from Seagate, which is a well-known brand for hard disk, and this pack I got for around 200 rupees, which looks pretty good. We can keep our hard disk over here. If we have some earphone or something lying around, we can just put it over here. Let me show you example. So like you have this earphone kind of thing, or maybe in the case of hard disks, we can put the hard disk cable also in this. So we can just put it up over here, and we can put your hard disk over here and close the box. This has good toughness in this. You can close it. It looks quite sturdy. It has this carrying tag. You can just hold it when required. And yeah, that's about it. So we will be moving on to the next product. This has quite good finish. It is from Seagate, as it says. So let's move on. What do we have here next? So these are like card keepers from Amazon. These are like wallet, a modern day wallet. Let's just try to open this up. So we have actually bought 2 pieces of these, and it costed us something less than 550 for 2 pieces, which was on sale on the Republic Day on in this 2021. So they have quite good packing like this. So we can use this, our nice cutter, we just cut it. So this is how it is. So we will be keeping some cards in this. So I have already put it halfway through, just as to hide the numbers, and this is how we can put them up. I think it can contain around 5 or maybe more cards. And then here we have this button. We can like push this button and get our cards. And this is very comfortable in carrying these days. Everyone like has mostly everything in cards. We can keep a debit card, a credit card, and maybe a identity card like a Aadhaar card or a PAN card or whatever you have, maybe driving license. So this is a very handy case, can be carried easily. These days we use cards, like, and you have your mobile for other payments. So I think this is a very good accessory for anyone who uses cards and has to travel from one place to another. So that's why I have gotten this. And the individual price was around 330, but I have gotten 2 pieces for like 550. Yeah, we will give you links in the comment section or in the description section, and you can get yourself a nice deal when the offer is available or anytime. So this is the second product. Let's moving on to the third product. So like I always have to travel at different places for different things, and packing up things becomes a mess. There are a lot of things in bags, and while packing them it gets difficult. So that's why I've gotten this product, which is quite helpful for packing up your things, your clothes. So I got this for like 300 bucks, and these are the, it is called as Bagage, BAGAGE, baggage, bags and luggage. So this is not exactly a bag to carry, but this is something you carry inside the bag. Okay, so it has certain things within this. Let's just open it up. This is a very good product, nice quality. I have gotten a similar product before, but this looks of even better quality. So this has this small box. This this is called box. We can maybe keep toiletries, or if we want, we can keep our shoes or sandals in this. And then there is another box. So I think this is the biggest of all, and we can keep, like, if you have some kind of blazer, or like your pants, or like shirts which you want to be more creased or whatever, you can pack it up. So basically it has this good length, like you can pack up a lot of stuff into these bags, and you can organize your travel. And like, so like when generally you pack everything in your bag, in your suitcase, or whatever you call it, the trolley, your trolley, then when you open it up into place wherever you reach, maybe a kind of this so like it gets messed up when you with all the things in your bag. So that's why, like, you can organize it. So this is how things are. And okay, thanks guys, thank you very much for your time. We will send descriptions and links into the YouTube, so you can get them for yourself. And yeah, happy traveling, happy life.